Okay, I'm going to show you how to replace the seat on our new OM5. You can see here that there's the seat depth adjustment, which is part of the detail and feature that you need. So what you're going to do is pull the seat forward just a little bit. Okay, if the seat's all the way back, you can't do it. So pull the seat forward just a little bit. I like taking my left hand here and I slide it in between the seat frame and the seat upholstery here. Make sure you're off to the side of the J-bar, not in the middle, but off to the side. Okay, put your hand in here. And then I take my other hand, kind of grab under the seat here, seat frame, and I squeeze and I pull that seat back. And then the seat pops off. Okay? And when you go to put it back on, you can kind of see how it wants to find a home, has some tracks there to try and find, and there's actually 6 elements here that need to engage. Okay? So I kind of start towards the back. I put my feet down by the base here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually lean on the chair and push down and then pull towards me. So down and towards me. You kind of hear a click back there. Make sure the seat slide is functioning well, right? But then also kind of lift up on the front edges here. Make sure nothing's loose or shaking. Same thing with the back. Kind of make sure it feels nice and engaged, like there's nothing loose or shaking, and that the seat slider functions properly, and you're good to go.